I said, bitch, I got the drugs. I feel like I'm Bill Cosby. Pop another pill. I feel like I'm a zombie. 90 on that ash, wondering where the cops be. Bitch, I got the drugs. I feel like. Hey, bitch, I got the drugs and I'm feeling like Escobar. Cause just pop another perk and I'm taking another bar. Pouring up the drink and I'm feeling like I'm Kendrick Lamar. I just down like 20 bottles and now I'm driving my car. Hey, sip that bath water like it's Minute May. Call me gay, cause I chase a sack like every day. Wait, all my virgin shit since like the 7th grade.
Hot shit, I'm just chillin' with a hot bitch. Man, that pussy pink like my shit. Swear to God, she do not wash it.
I feel like I said, bitch, I got the drugs. I feel like I'm Bill Cosby. Pop another pill. I feel like I'm a zombie. 90 on that ash, wondering where the cops be. Bitch, I got the drugs. I feel like I'm Bill Cosby.
Now the best part about drugs is that while you're doing that, the person sitting next to you is going, hey man, pass that over.
Little bitch, tell me what you want, I get it over the counter. Sell a couple grams on the block and then Benjamins. I'll count up if she hot, she get a discount. I'm high on the mountain of youth. I sneak some Cosby in a cup, now she the fountain of truth. Don't twist light, I'm this high. Pop a couple pills and come on this side. Don't sell the minors, other shit tight when I'm feeling fun on this trip, right? LSD in my room, the colors in motion. Baby, please turn off Rico shit, but promise no overdosing, ayy.
Said fuck the plug, baby, I got all of the drugs. Whether it be crack or coke or a Labrador with a pug. I got H and crystal meth and F, a brand of marijuana. Did it do it for the gram? I did this shit for what kind of saves? Mary Jane up on my kitchen table, smoking Roger, feel the sable. So much cat, I feel unstable. So much cat, I'm in a stable. So much cat, I'm in a
hot